Welcome to the Car Compass. My name is Sandu, and in today's video I'm going to explain 6 features on the 2027 Kia Telluride for the driver assistant technology. The first one is going to be the enhanced auto emergency braking technology. When available and actively engaged, forward collision avoidance assist 2 uses a front camera and radar sensors to help prevent or lessen the effects of a potential collision when a hazard is detected in your vehicle's path. The system is designed to provide auditory and visual warnings, as well as automatically apply the brakes in certain conditions, and with the help of the driver can even assist with steering input to help avoid a collision. It is also engineered to help identify and detect oncoming and cross traffic when turning left at or driving through an intersection. The second amazing feature of this driver assistant technology in the new Telluride is the blind spot detection. When available and actively engaged, blind spot collision avoidance assist can help avoid a collision by providing auditory visual alerts and actively moving your vehicle away from the other vehicle next to you. The third feature for this new Kia Telluride is going to be the Highway Driving Assist 2. When available and actively engaged, Highway Driving Assist 2 uses a front-facing camera, radar sensors, and navigation data to help you maintain a set speed and distance from the detected vehicle ahead while driving on certain highways. The system can assist with lane changes by providing steering input and guiding the vehicle into the adjacent lane when the turn signal is activated, and can also help keep your vehicle centered in its lane, even adjusting your path within the lane if a detected vehicle to the side is too close. The fourth feature of this driver assistant technology in the new Telluride is the rear cross traffic collision avoidance assist. When available and actively engaged, rear cross traffic collision avoidance assist can detect rear cross traffic while reversing out of a parking spot, providing auditory visual alert of a potential collision, and in certain circumstances apply the brakes to help mitigate or avoid a collision. The fifth feature we're going to discuss today is the parking distance warning. When available, the front, rear, and side parking sensors use integrated ultrasonic sensors to help detect objects around your vehicle when parking. These sensors work by providing auditory visual warnings that increase in frequency as you approach surrounding objects, helping you maneuver the vehicle more confidently. And now, the last feature is navigation-based smart cruise control with stop and go. When available and actively engaged, this navigation-based smart cruise control with stop and go can help adjust highway vehicle speed to adapt to changing speed limits by using road information from the navigation system. The system is also designed to decelerate your vehicle when approaching an upcoming curve and re-accelerate when completing the turn, all while maintaining a predetermined following distance from the vehicle detected ahead. Now we're done with presenting these amazing features for the new Kia Telluride in the 2027 models, and I hope you found this video helpful. And if you like this one, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below, and I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching.